Retinol, collagen, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, all in one container and so easy to use. This is a game changer. I love this pump style. I have this in a lot of the different moisturizers. You just push down and it's good to go. My favorite thing about this though is it is so smooth. I've had some other companies. This is a US made company and the products are so easy to go on. They go under my makeup fine or at night as well. It's just a gentle moisturizer. I can use it under eyes. I have no problem with irritation. I'm 50 years old and I need all the help I can get with the fine lines, the wrinkles, the discoloration, fading, dullness. I have all the problems. So any solution that's designed to target all of that, I'm so helpful and thankful for. And as you can see, it just goes on so smoothly. It soaks into my skin very quickly. I think my favorite thing about it is I can use it day or night. It's loaded with plant botanicals. And let's see if I can show you here. All the things. And so easy to use, so easy as a moisturizer day or night, under makeup, under a sleep mask at night. I can use it with my other serums. And if you're looking for all in one to make life easier, you should check it out.